Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust aspect ratio and screen size on Sony TV, Google TV. For that, you can set the screen size and the position according to your preferences. First of all, you need to press the home button and then select settings at the bottom of the screen using these buttons. After that, you need to select display using the up and down buttons and then press this button. After that, you need to select using the up and down button and press the home button or the OK button. Then select the desired option using the up and down buttons and press the OK button. To return to the last viewed resource, you just have to press the home button twice. So the available options for input for the other than the PC are these, so you can go through this page and check out for more information. So you just have to follow these instructions in order to adjust the screen aspect ratio on Sony TV, Google TV. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.